This is the final project update for Kathleen Valley. We're almost at production. The team are doing an amazing job. There's so much happening to get the job done. The stockpile of ore continues to grow, as does the crushed ore stockpile next to the fine ore bin. The processing plant commissioning is already underway and the paste plant construction continues apace.
Exciting times here at Kathleen Valley. In the pit wall, you can clearly see the visible ore. Over the next 3 months, we hit the main ore body, and most of this pit floor will turn white. As we intersect the main ore body, we mine more ore, and the stockpiles on the ROM will grow exponentially. We've just finished construction of the ROM pad, with sheeting now complete. We sheet the ROM as part of our ore hygiene strategy to maximise recoveries.
Underground development is continuing to advance to schedule and the ground conditions are performing as expected. We've recently installed the interim primary ventilation into the underground fan chambers. This has allowed us to move the secondary ventilation fans from the portal into the underground workings. In addition to this, we've also installed 2 of the first underground substations, which you can see behind me. These installations will allow us to advance further into the mine and deeper into the ore body. As we advance towards the ore body, the Mount Mann decline, which is expected within the next few months, Burncut are beginning work to bring the Lexnol gear to site. This will include a long-hole production rig, a rhino rig, and also some additional development equipment. This will include a twin boom jumbo, an additional truck, and also an additional loader.
Here at the process plant, the dry plant commissioning is now in its final stages, with the wet plant commissioning progressing well while we finalize construction. The electrical and piping work almost complete at the main facilities of the wet plant area. Focus is now shifting towards electrical and piping work at the non-key areas. The installation of the vaulted water tanks is almost complete, with the water being filled in one of the raw water tanks as we speak. Alongside that, the team continued to do the punch listing and vendor reps are on site signing off on the installation of all the equipment so that we are ready to get everything up and running.
Our ore sorting project has now been running for a few weeks. We take near waste material, we analyse it using X-ray and laser technology to separate out the ore from the waste rock. This maximises the amount of material that we have to feed to the plant, all while significantly lowering the amount of waste that we generate.
With our crushing circuit in full swing, we're focused on delivering a 2-week stockpile of ore, which effectively decouples the crushing circuit from the main plant. This means if any unexpected outage occurs in our crushing circuit, it won't affect production in the wet plant. Also, we're using our isolation and safe work procedures developed in our operational readiness campaign to run the crushing circuit, proving we're ready for the wet plant as soon as it's handed over. Our recruitment campaign for processing is nearing completion, and we have all the people we require here and now to deliver on our commitments for production.
Liontown has a bold goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2034. We have a robust decarbonization strategy in place, and we have leveraged cutting-edge technology using a platform called Clear Carbon to accurately track our greenhouse gas emissions, starting from the commencement of operations. By collecting data early and using advanced analytics, we can make informed sustainable decisions to do things like improve our fleet fuel efficiency and optimize electricity consumption to achieve our goal. We are advancing our decarbonization pathway through a science-based approach, and we are committed to environmental stewardship from the very outset.